Hi, it's me again, Butler and Chata Rommel. So, I'm so happy that I'm proud as well that nakabisita ako dito sa Petra. So, amazing view. So, this is once in a lifetime. It's the seven wonders of the world. Petra, Jordan. Tingnan mo yung view sa taas. Marami ako iba-vlog sa mga nakuha kong video at saka pictures. Post ko 'yon. And then makita nyo rin, may share ko lang sa inyo. So, napakaswerte at nakapunta ako dito. Mga kaibigan, mga followers, soon to be followers, please like and share. And then hope you like my video. Okay guys, and thank you for watching for this video, and hope you will like it. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.